Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tutorials. Today we will draw this 2D object in AutoCAD. We will apply some basic settings before drawing this object. First type UCS and select no origin. Then type D and press enter. Go to symbols and arrows. Enter arrow size is 1 and then go to text. Enter text height is 3. Now let's start. Select ellipse command, drag mouse to this direction and enter 110 and then 35 in this direction. Now draw a circle of dia 70 at the center. Then select line command. Draw a line of 20. Then draw a circle of dia 16. Now draw a polygon at the center of big circle of radius 20. Then select rotate command and rotate it. Then select trim command and trim these. Now it's complete and dimension it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.